Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got quite a special one actually. So it's a Gen 1 Yamaha R1, but it was registered in 2015. So it's, well, essentially it's the 09 shape. Very late registered, very special bike. So key facts again first. It had one owner from new when it was first registered in 2015, owned it a few months, sold it back to the dealer, couldn't get on with it, did next to no mileage. So then from 2015, I think it was September, there was a lady owner, and that's all it's had since. So essentially, it's been in a private collection for all this time. Maintained regardless, serviced regardless. It is absolutely stunning. You don't see them like this. It was serviced literally last May 2019. The mileage is the same. We took it straight for an MOT and it flew through. They even commented saying how the tyres have been replaced, even though it's only done just over 2,000 miles. It's a stock bike, apart from the gorgeous Yoshi cans. Well, that's the system actually. It's a full system. Well, I don't think about it. I think the head is a stock. Private R1 plate comes with it. It's got the little bobbins as well. I don't know if it's been remapped. The exhaust was already there when the owner, when she took ownership in 2015. I haven't taken it out on the road. Took it for an MOT in the van, brought it straight back. But it is absolutely stunning. So it's pretty much unmarked. There's one mark I'll show you, which is a tiny little stone chip right there in the corner, which we can have touched in. But other than that, pearl finish is absolutely gorgeous. Yes, it's leaning on its side, that's why the oil is like that. Someone got confused the other day. When it goes straight, the oil level reads correct. That's the exhaust. There's no spares with it, for anyone asking. We don't have seat cowls and things like that. We've got all the manuals, service history, book and invoices. It's got the data tool alarm. Fire it up for you, it's a cold engine. Clutching on this one. I'm just going to pop you down for a sec. It wasn't clutching, I just have the kill switch on. You get the usual chain rattle at cold start. I think pretty much all of them do that, don't they? Sounds gorgeous. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. All the information will be in the description below. If you like what you see, give us a shout. Thanks, bye.